and we've got the roof on, and we're about ready to do some other things to it, maybe drill a hole in the front. Or what I like to do is make it look like a house. And you can take a piece of square wood and cut it on a 45, which I had. This happened to be a piece of oak, but you know, you can put a chimney on it like that, or put it up here, or back here, or anything you want. But I like to do something a little bit different to this here one. Found this old piece of wood out in the backyard that they used for a stake for something. But I'm going to cut it on a 45 and see if we can make a chimney out of it to make it look a little different. So, being cut on a 45 like this, you can put it, and it looks like a round chimney. And I like that a little bit better. And if a person wanted to, he could drill a hole in here and burn it. And maybe we'll go ahead and do that. We'll put it in the vise here. And we'll just take a drill and drill down through the middle of it. I use two kinds of drills. I use one that's power, and I use a battery operated one. So we'll stick this in the middle. And we'll drill down quite a ways on it. Excuse me. So we got a hole in the middle. Now it looks like a real chimney. So we'll put it on here. But I found out one thing. When you're doing this, if you'll drill straight down through and then put a screw down through the middle, it holds a lot better. So we'll do this on the next segment.